Namaste, this is Hepzibah. Today I am going to tell you about cell structure and function. In this topic, I am going to deal about cell organelles. Cell organelles are small organs present in the cytoplasm of the cell. Cell organelles are small structures that are scattered in the cytoplasm of the cell. Cell organelles form living part of the cell. So different cell organelles perform different functions. Cell organelles discovered by Christian René de Duve in 1955. So examples of cell organelles are nucleus, mitochondria, Golgi complex, endoplasmic reticulum, vacuoles, lysosomes, ribosomes, plastids, etc. Today I am going to tell you about four organelles, that is Golgi body, nucleus, mitochondria and plastids. Let us know about them. Mitochondria. Richard Altman in 1890 established mitochondria as cell organelles and called them as bioblasts. The term mitochondria was coined by Carl Banda in 1898. Mitochondria derived from two Greek words, mito and chondrion. Mito means thread, chondrion means granule. Mitochondrion is the singular form of mitochondria. Mitochondria are oval-shaped structures, rod-shaped or cylindrical-shaped structures, or oval-shaped structures present in the cytoplasm of the cell. Mitochondria present in both plant and animal cells. Mitochondria absent in bacteria and red blood cells of mammals. The mitochondria are surrounded by two membranes, outer membrane and inner membrane. Outer membrane is smooth and porous, whereas inner membrane is thrown into several folds which appear like finger-like projections. These finger-like projections are known as cristae, which increase the surface area. The space present between the outer membrane is known as outer chamber or outer compartment. Similarly, the space present inside the inner membrane is known as inner chamber or inner compartment. This inner chamber or inner compartment is filled with proteinaceous gel-like matrix containing small-sized ribosomes, phosphate granules, circular DNA, and enzymes. Mitochondria, known as powerhouse of the cell or power plants of the cell. Mitochondria take part in cellular respiration. It oxidizes carbohydrates and lipids, break down mainly glucose and releases energy. Hence, mitochondria are called powerhouse of the cell or power plants of the cell. Portion of energy is used in the formation of ATP. ATP, adenosine triphosphate. That is, mitochondria helpful in the synthesizing energy-rich compound ATP. ATP is used by the cell for different functions. Hence, ATP is known as energy currency of the cell or energy carrier of the cell. Mitochondria are also known as semi-autonomous organelles because they have their own DNA, so they can make their own proteins. And they are also called as self-replicating organelle. They have the power to divide. Next come to plastids. Ernest Haeckel discovered the plastids, but A.F.W. Schimmer was the first to provide a clear definition. Plastids are the site of manufacture and storage of imported chemical compounds used by the cells of autotrophic eukaryotes. There are three types of plastids: chloroplast, leucoplast, and chromoplast. Leucoplasts are colorless plastids. They are helpful in storage of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Leucoplast. Leucoplast present in storage organs of the plant. Second one is chloroplast. Chloroplast found in green parts of the plant. Chloroplast contain green pigment called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll traps solar energy and helpful in the manufacture of food in the plants. Plastids are found in plant cells only. Plastids are found in algae, certain bacteria, and protozoans. Three types of plastids I told you: leucoplast, chloroplast, and chromoplast. Chromoplast found in flowers and fruits. Chromoplasts contain different color pigments which are present in flowers, fruits, and vegetables. Chromoplasts present in flowers helpful in attracting the insects for pollination. Let us know about the chloroplast. Andreas Schimmer discovered chloroplast. The origin of chloroplast was first suggested by the Russian biologist Konstantin Merezhkovsky in 1905, after Andreas Schimmer observed in 1883 that chloroplast closely resembles cyanobacteria. Chloroplasts are only found in plants, algae, and the amoeboid Polynella chromatophora. Chloroplast surrounded by double membrane, outer membrane and inner membrane. Inside the chloroplast, stacks of membrane-bound disc-like structures are present known as grana. On this grana only chlorophyll is present. Grana forms the main functional part of the chloroplast. Grana are the site of light reaction. Next, stroma. It is a colorless area which stroma is the site of dark reaction. Stroma contain enzymes, ribosomes, starch, grain, DNA. Chloroplasts or plastids are known as semi-autonomous organelle because they have their DNA, so they are able to make their own proteins, and they are self-replicating organelles also, as they are having power to divide like mitochondria. Now let us know about another organelle, that is nucleus. Nucleus is considered as brain of the cell or control center of the cell. Because it regulates the life process in the cell, it controls all the activities of the cell. Nucleus is surrounded by two membranes, outer membrane, inner membrane. These two together known as nuclear envelope. The nuclear envelope leaves a pore in between known as nuclear pore. Through this nuclear pore, exchange of material takes place between nucleus and cytoplasm of the cell. Inside the nucleus, nucleolus is present. Either one or more than one nucleolus is present. Nucleolus made up of RNA. RNA used for the synthesis of proteins in the cytoplasm. Inside the nucleus, diffuse network of filaments present known as chromatin, which is made up of DNA. DNA is responsible for storing and transporting the hereditary information from parents to children. During cell division, chromatin condenses and turns into chromosomes. Inside the nucleus, jelly-like substance present known as nucleoplasm. Nucleoplasm. Jelly-like substance present inside the nucleus. Nucleus discovered by Robert Brown in 1831. Nucleus was described by Franz Bower in 1804. And 1831, Scottish botanist Robert Brown observed an opaque area which he called the areola or nucleus in the cells of the flower's outer layer of orchids. Chromatin material made up of mainly of DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid. Genes are segments of DNA. Thus, DNA is responsible for storing and transmitting the hereditary information from one generation to the next generation. Genes are segments of very long DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid molecule. Genes are arranged in a single linear order along the chromosome. They are formed due to condensation of chromatin material at the time of cell division. Gene is the functional unit of DNA. Next organelle is Golgi complex. It is also known as Golgi apparatus or Golgi body. Camillo Golgi in 1898 discovered the Golgi complex. In plant cells, Golgi complex known as dictyosome. These are unconnected units or subunits of Golgi complex. Golgi complex, commonly known as export forms. These are the secretory organelles. They modify proteins and some fats and help them for transport. They contain cisternae, vacuoles, Golgian vacuoles, vesicles, tubules, etc. I hope you have understood. Thank you.